morning to ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Shafika bint Abdurrahman and you guys can call me Ika. I'm from Faculty of Information Management. I am 244 UiTM Rembau Negeri Sembilan. Today, I would like to present a public speaking about cloud computing. Do you know about cloud computing? For your information, cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet, including data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. In the simplest term, cloud computing means storing and accessing data and program over the internet instead of using your computer's hard drive. In nowadays, cloud computing is a popular option for users to use, especially for decision makers. Cloud computing gives you instant access to a broad range of technologies so you can innovate faster and build nearly anything you can imagine, from infrastructure services such as computer, storage and databases, to Internet of Things, machine learning, data analytics, and much more. Now, let's talk about cloud computing deployment and services. Cloud computing have 4 different types that offer different deployment. The first one is public cloud. Public cloud provide their services over the internet for free. They are available to the general public and data are created on third-party servers that allow users to use their resources such as service, databases, and storage over the internet. The second one is private cloud. Private cloud are reserved for specific clientele, usually one business or organization. Many private cloud computing services are provided on a private network. Private cloud permit only authorized users, providing the organization greater control over data and its security. The third one is community cloud. It is mutual share model between organizations that belong to a particular community such as banks, government organizations, or commercial enterprise. This type of deployment model of cloud computing is managed and hosted internally or by a third-party vendor. And the last is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of both public and private cloud that allow the user more flexibility and help optimize the user's infrastructure and security. For services, there are 3 services which is first, Software as a Service, SaaS. SaaS involves the license of a software application to customer. SaaS providers offer application-level services tailored to a wide variety of business needs such as customer relationship management (CRM), marketing automation, or business analytics. The second services is Infrastructure as a Service (IaaS). IaaS provides user access to raw computing resources such as processing power, data storage capacity, and networking in the context of a secure data center. It also involves a method for delivering everything from operating system to servers and storage through IP-based connectivity as part of an on-demand service. And the last one is Platform as a Service, PaaS. PaaS is considered the most complex of the 3 layers of cloud-based computing. PaaS shares some similarities with SaaS, the primary difference being that instead of delivering software online, it is actually a platform for creating software that is delivered via the internet such as web servers, databases management system, and software development kits (SDKs) for various programming languages. Now, let's move to the benefit and risk cloud computing. Do you know the benefit of using cloud computing? Let me tell you the benefit of using cloud computing. The first benefit of using cloud computing is cost. Cloud computing helps you to save substantial capital costs as it does not need any physical hardware investment. Cloud computing also provides pay-as-you-go method that allow you to charge only for what you store. The second benefit is high speed. Cloud computing allows you to deploy your service quickly on fewer clicks. This faster deployment allows you to get the resources required for your system within fewer minutes. The third is backup and restore data. Once the data is stored in a cloud, it is easier to get the backup and recovery of that which is otherwise very time-taking process on-premise. The last benefit is unlimited storage capacity. The cloud offers almost limitless storage capacity. At any time, you can quickly expand your storage capacity with very nominal monthly fees. Meanwhile, for the first risk of using cloud computing is internet connectivity. Data on the cloud and service are typically accessed over the internet. So, this obviously means the speed at which you can access cloud services and data are limited by the speed of your internet connection. However, the good news is cloud service providers have SLA, that is service level agreements. Most of the cloud providers guarantee 99.9% of uptime. If they fail to meet the service level agreement, you will be compensated. The second one is data security. When you store your data in the cloud, you are placing your complete trust on the cloud service provider to secure and safeguard your data. Cloud service providers like Google Cloud and Amazon Web Services invest lot of resources and money to implement and improve cloud security. But still, by placing your data in the cloud as opposed to in-house, you are opening up security risks. Also, everyone including hackers know if they can manage to hack into cloud service providers, they will have access to huge amount of data. There are hundreds of thousands of cyber attacks going around the world. Let's take a look at this video. You can see the real-time cyber threat map. Every second, in fact every few milliseconds, there is an attempt cyber attack. You can see the time, attack country, and the target country. The third risk is compliance and legal risk. Compliance is another important risk that must be considered when you moving to the cloud. If it's your own personal data, like email or photo for example, you don't have to worry about compliance and legal risk. However, if it's an organization and if it deals with financial data, healthcare data, credit card data, or any regulated data for that matter by law, the organization is responsible for protecting that data at all costs. It also needs to know where the data is stored, who is allowed to access it, and the measures that are put in place to protect it. And the last one is lower bandwidth. Many cloud storage service providers limit bandwidth usage of their user. So in case if your organization surpasses the given allowance, the additional charges could be significantly costly. In conclusion, cloud computing is recently new technological development that has the potential to have a great impact on the world. It has many benefits that is provided to each user and businesses. But at the same time, it also have the risk of using cloud computing system. So, you guys as the user need to do the right decision either you need this type of system or not. I will end my speech today. all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.